Alright, what is going on YouTube? Hope you guys are having an amazing Sunday today. I know I haven't made a video in a very long time, 2 months now, but I have a big channel update for you guys, so let me go ahead and show you what's up. Alright guys, so this is the new daily for the channel right here. 2018 GTI Autobahn. Got it in white. I really like the wheels right there. You got the GTI right there on the brakes, like that. 4-door, practical hatchback. It's good on gas. Love the way it looks. I love the tails for 2018. The tails are really nice. Full LED. Let's give you guys a little walk around here. Go ahead and check the inside out. Got it with the 6-speed manual. Really soft clutch, really easy to drive. I really like that coming from S2000. The transmission feels really good, really easy to shift. I like that. So yeah guys, go ahead and take a seat. Really nice place to be on the inside guys, really comfortable. Got heated seats, you got the backup camera, you got the nice screen, you got the Fender sound system. It's just a really good daily driver and I'm so happy with this. Definitely a lot more videos to come for you guys. This is just a little introduction showing you guys what's up. Sold the hatchback, got this, and also going to be selling the E36 shortly because I don't really need it anymore. So if you guys are interested in picking up the E36, I'll make a separate video showing you guys that. But yeah guys, this is the new daily. A lot more videos to come, a lot more in-depth, but I just wanted to make a little update video for the channel. Hope you guys enjoy your Sunday, and I'll catch you in the next video.